All right, let's talk about Copy.AI. I'm going to give you some of the pros and cons of using this platform. Is it good for SEO? Is it not? Is it good for writing? Is it not? You know, all the things that you need to know before you decide to use it. And then I'm going to talk about some alternatives as well. So diving right in, here we go. So Copy.AI, basically this platform is meant to be your all-in-one writing solution to write copy for emails, product descriptions, campaign briefs, you know, to remove the writing block. But with that comes obviously some pros and cons that you need to know about. So let's go over the pros first. First, there's a generous permanent free plan. So there's no credit card required to start, which is the case for a lot of these. They want you to kind of see all the bells and whistles and kind of how to use it before you decide to upgrade. So that is always a good thing. There's a large template library, so for most copy use cases, you have a starting point. You don't have to prompt from scratch, which is good depending on your needs, depending on your copy needs. There's a clean chat-based UI, so it's fast to iterate, easy onboarding. With any chat-based UI, you just basically talk with it. You ask it for what you need. You ask it to fix or enhance, just kind of like ChatGPT or any AI platform that uses chat. So there's a strong so it's really strong at short form content like ads, cold email, social captions. There's workflow automation to chain prompts into pipelines, so you can kind of build out that entire workflow. And then there's also multi-language support and adjustable brand tone, so you can kind of write things according to your brand, which is really important. Now the cons, and some of these are a pretty big deal depending on what you're trying to use this for. So long form output gets repetitive and needs heavy editing. So if you're going to use this for blog articles or long form type content, probably not going to be the best. Quality is inconsistent, so fact checking is essential. A lot of stuff in here needs to be corrected, updated. So, I mean, and that's the case for most AIs. You don't want to take it at face value, but there has been reported problems with the quality in Copy.AI. Pricing at $49 a month pro versus cheaper writing only tools. So it could be depending on the free plan is minimal. If you want to use all the tools, you're going to have to pay to play. But even then, there are some lacking problems. There's things that are lacking that they could do a better job at. There's no built-in SEO research, so you still need to do your own SEO research if you are using this for SEO writing. And there's no scheduling or publishing. So it writes, it doesn't post. So I think there's still a lot of manual stuff to this, whether it be checking, updating, copying, pasting, and then obviously if you're using it for SEO, it's a non-starter. It's not going to have any of that SEO structure. It's going to be completely manual. So good in some ways, bad in some other ways. I'm not really sure the benefit of using this versus just using Claude or ChatGPT, considering the functions of those seem to be pretty close to the same. Obviously, this has templates and stuff like that, so you can kind of get started and move a little bit faster. But at the end of the day, there are kind of some things that is lacking with this. So if you want to use a tool for SEO writing for some structured technical SEO stuff, I would suggest using Arvow to do a fantastic job. There's a lot of built-in bells and whistles when it comes to content creation here. So a couple of things that you can use this for. Obviously, you can use this for SEO blogging, which is this fantastic resource, very easy to use. Simple as putting in a keyword. You don't even have to put in a title if you don't want to, and then you generate the article. The nice thing is when you generate the articles, you can set up templates. So if you go into settings here, I can set up the template to include all my brand assets, my knowledge-based training materials, case studies, any documentation you want to give it. So it's going to create content around your brand tone. You can do a brand brief, your brand tone of voice. So it's going to, and then it's going to include your brand assets in the writing. You can link to your money pages. You can include your sitemap, so it'll link all the pages together. You can include your own images, or it'll create them for you. You can include your own YouTube videos, or it'll do it for you. So it's going to write articles with all the structure in place. And if I go into here, you can see that the backend structure is already done for me. I don't have to do any of that stuff. It's all done for me. So I can open up any of these articles and you can see the SEO structure is in place. So this is what makes this a leader in terms of technical SEO writing. Meta description, H2s, H3, alt text, all the things that are important from a structure standpoint that's important to Google and AI is to get cited, to get featured in AI overviews. You can also create trending news articles for any topic, any niche. This is really good to capitalize on a lot of relevant traffic. And then you can also create YouTube articles from YouTube channels. So that's really awesome. You can set this up as an auto blogger. So I can create auto blogs, fully automated blogs. It'll pull your feed that you can either do a keyword feed, an RSS feed, a YouTube feed to generate blog articles. It'll generate them and publish them, and you can integrate with your website. So I can go in here to integrations, create new integration, integrate with any website. So automatically publish content whenever, as many times as you want, daily, monthly, weekly, multiple times a day, whatever you want. So for content creation, SEO content creation, this is really, really next level. But then there's all kinds of other bells and whistles that you can use in here for SEO. So there's a site optimizer. It'll analyze your whole site, audit your whole site, tell you what you have currently, what you need to fix, and it'll tell you why you need to fix it, and then you can apply the change, or you can select and apply all the changes at once. So in just a couple of clicks, you can audit and fix your whole website from a technical SEO problem. So this is really helpful. Automatic backlinks, so you can enter the backlink exchange. This is really cool. So there's thousands of users that use Arvow, and you just put your website in and it'll enter you in the backlink exchange. So when anyone creates a piece of content, it's going to look at this backlink exchange, find relevant backlinks to include in the articles as internal or external links, and link to them automatically, and then you get the backlink. So you're doing it for other companies, they're doing it for you, and they only do relevant, high quality backlinks. Most users are getting like 1 to 5 backlinks a day. Super, super impressive. It's very easy to use. You can use the LLM brand monitor to monitor your performance across ChatGPT, OpenAI, Claude. ChatGPT is OpenAI. You get the point. Perplexity, Gemini. You just put in your website URL. It'll give prompts already out of the box, but then you can enter your own. Here's one for like an example, just SEMrush. These are all the prompts that it just generated, but I can hit here and add my own and generate them, and then monitor the visibility. What am I, how visible am I across AI platforms? What's my sentiment? Is it positive or negative? And you can go into these and see, okay, these are ChatGPT. Here's my visibility, Claude, all the visibility across all the AI. So this is super helpful. And then the nice thing is, if you're lacking in visibility in any of these prompts, you can just create content. Use Arvow to create content around those prompts, so you can get more and more visibility. And then there's also the Site Explorer, so you can go in here and see traffic for your website or someone else's, and you can also see the top pages. So this replaces like Hrefs, and it's super helpful for yourself and for competition. And here you go. This is an example of see all the traffic, and then you can go to top pages and see all the traffic top pages as well. So there's a lot. That's a quick overview. There's a lot you can do. There's a lot of customization you can do. But the main takeaway here is this is a fantastic tool if you're looking to grow your website traffic, grow your website rank, because you can customize this to your brand assets. So it's unique. It's original content. And there's a lot of different types of content you can do from an SEO standpoint. So hopefully it helps you guys out. There are links below to try this out. Check out these other videos for SEO stuff, tools, automations. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.